We've got Kyle and Michaela on the case in this edition of Day in the Life. We'll be starting off with Grove Crescent. Take it away, Kyle.
First drop here today on site in Stratford, where they're installing a pre-applied Type A waterproofing membrane in conjunction with a Type B watertight concrete to achieve a Grade 3 environment as requested by the client. Good feedback overall from the guys on site. Large roll sizes, quick deliveries, good turnaround on site visits, and overall a good installation of the waterproofing system here today.
Next we headed off to another Grove site, this time with a bed in front of it, Belgrove House, where we found ourselves next to some historical train stations.
Here we are at the second drop today, outside King's Cross Station at a project called Belgrove House. They're currently under bulk dig to remove the excess soil within the basement. With no waterproofing actually exposed today, we'll be back another time to see the further progress of waterproofing installation.
After a quick gawk at King Cross and St Pancras, we headed over to Bishop's Avenue to this fancy new development. And it's a big one for Premcrete, as this is VOID-TEK's largest project to date. Along with the use of MaxiProof and a host of other products, we're next to an old building that unfortunately caught fire some time ago. With the new construction trying its best to retain as much of the original structure as possible, we're working with Erith on this project, who had a few kind words to say.
Hi, I'm Anna Clark. I'm a project manager for Erith at 54 Bishops Avenue, which is a two-storey residential basement in North London. So the main advantage we found with VOID-TEK is the logistics on site, the fact that you can get 300 metres squared on 2 pallets rather than a whole curtain-sided lorry that takes hours and hours to offload.
It's time for an update as we dash off to Southall Park Avenue, who keen viewers will recognise from a previous Day in the Life video. Carl's back to check in on progress as the project gets close to the finish line.
So, fourth drop of the day today. We're here with Hills on site at Park Avenue, Southall, to inspect the CombiSeal Plus that's being installed in the basement. We look forward to catching up with the guys to ensure there's no challenges on the installation and everything's going smoothly.
We also checked out this smart bit of kit, which we'll take out after the pour. After getting a bit lost on the way, we finally made it to Renshaw Yards for a super quick pop-in. That's all for today. We saw some big projects, the use of exciting new products, and shook some hands to a job well done. And of course, the Day in the Life would be a miss if we didn't give out any biscuits.